sky.
It's doing high. It hits the jets.
Okay, let me see if you can hit the jet.
Let's try to hit the jets.
Does it hit the jets? It's like 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Where did far that went?
That went really far.
That went far.
That went really far.
Do it super high.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Okay, let's do another one.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Where did far that went, mommy?
That went by mommy. Yeah.
Go get him.
1, 3, 2. It's just stuck in the grass.
Oh, it's stuck in the grass? How many did you give me?
It's in 3.
3 rockets?
3 rockets.
Okay, let's do it again.
It hit the jet.
Let's hit the jet.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Where did far that went?
How far that went. That's the best one
1,
yet.
2, 3.
Whoa!
Wow, that
Where did far that went?
super far.
That was super far.
Want to shoot over the fence?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oops.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Great job, buddy.
Oh my goodness! It's in my face. 1, 2.
Okay, go get the rockets.
1, 2.
It's over here, behind the grill.
By mommy. It's over by mommy.
It's not that time. Let's go see the moon.
Yeah, because the lights are on. It is night time.
You're right, buddy. How many rockets you got for me?
It got 5.
5 this time.
It's night time. Let's go see the moon. Where is the moon?
Is it
Let's see if we can shoot the rocket to the moon.
watching the moon?
Go ahead, shoot.
1,
Shoot a
2,
rocket.
3.
Whoa! That was super high.
What is far that went?
That went really far.
Is it like the fence?
Go ahead.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Almost.
Where did far that went?
You want to shoot one over the fence?
1, up, 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Wow, excellent job.
1, 2, 3. Cheek. Look at my having your rockets.
You're very welcome. Anytime.
Look at I fix the die having your rockets.
Anytime, buddy.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa!